In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table of contents. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable hub that helps you and your readers jump straight to the right place without scrolling or guessing. We'll start by setting up the home for your links. Create a new blank page and give it a clear title, like Contents. Keeping the name simple makes it instantly recognizable and easy to find later. Think of this page as the front door to your document or workspace. You're not adding content here. You're collecting signposts that point to the important parts elsewhere. Next, it's time to gather the destinations you want to feature. Navigate to a page, a specific section, or even a single paragraph that matters. Right-click on it and choose Copy Link to Page or Copy Link to Section, depending on what your tool calls it. Many apps also let you copy a link to a paragraph, which is perfect when you want readers to land on a precise spot. As you copy each link, glance at the title or heading you're linking to and make sure it's clear and descriptive. Good titles will make your table of contents far easier to scan later. If you're building a large table, it can help to move methodically from top to bottom through your document so you don't miss anything important. With a link on your clipboard, head back to your contents page. Place your cursor where you want the link to appear and press Ctrl+V to paste. Most tools automatically turn pasted links into clickable text. For readability, put each link on its own line so your table stays clean and scannable. If you're adding several related links, keep them together in a logical order that mirrors the flow of your document. Repeat the same rhythm. Go to the next page, section, or paragraph, copy the link, return to the contents page, and paste. As you build, keep an eye on consistency. Using similar wording for similar items helps readers understand the structure at a glance. Continue this simple copy and paste loop until you've included all the places you want people to reach quickly. A concise table of contents is often more helpful than an exhaustive one, so focus on the sections that truly matter. When you're finished, your contents page becomes a one-stop launcher for your work, saving time and reducing friction for everyone who uses it. That's all it takes. Create your contents page, copy the links you need, and paste them where they belong. Keep it clear, keep it consistent, and you'll have a table of contents that works beautifully.